time to start.
Have a flag too that we can capture? Oh, so it's your team trying to capture this flag and that's it?
Tell them come on.
Okay. Is there a certain time limit or is there just
20 minutes. 20 minutes. Tell them start. Tell them we're ready. Tell them start now, we're ready.
starting in 4 minutes?
What the fuck? Why need to start now?
I told him start in a minute. He was like, no, let's start at 30. Fuck you, dude. And by the way, your objective is to just defend that flag. They don't have a flag for you to capture.
But we only get 2 lives though. Alright, let's figure this shit out. Where's Moppin? Alright. Moppin, you got that road coming down there? You gonna cover the road down there?
He's building his nest.
Yeah, because he should be able to mow them down when they come down through there.
That's what we do. Coming from that direction.
You got more range, that looks like, than everybody on the team.
That's scary.
So, you want to take front?
I want to get QRF.
Alright, we'll QRF. No, they're either come here, here, or there.
I want to come from this left side.
Yeah.
They're gonna come from here.
Yeah.
Papa needs somebody to cover him because they come from there and he can't defend them.
We got it. You got range too, so you might want to keep them down there.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna go to the WAG. I'm gonna have Darius.
Go with Darius.
Damn it, dude! I was trying to sit up there.
You gonna go with Darius, take a piss? That's kind of weird. No, both of mine have been worked on. Give me yours. Fucker. Give me your gun. Nah, I don't use that. I brought 5 guns out, so I'm good. Alright. Where's Eli?
1 minute!
Alright. Yeah. Y'all can run QRF. Me and Darius will hang out up here at the point and watch both directions.
Hey, you putting it on YouTube? 30
Yeah.
seconds.
I'll put you on YouTube. Make you famous.
Give me the channel name.
Alright. Mow them down. Huh? let's stay here. This is kind of like a point where you can see everything. All right, Miller, we're good. Let's go. Where you going? Don't go too far. They're gonna sneak up behind you on that trail. They're gonna sneak up and shoot him in the air. He's on that trail. No, I'm talking about the other guy. That's all right. If they run in a group, I'm gonna shoot the group. Yes, I'm gonna shoot the group. Shot myself in the foot. Huh? 2, maybe 3. Watch, they're gonna come back that way. The trail's right there. First line of defense. The easiest place to get to is coming that way. That's the quickest way. Most people don't do that unless you're stupid. The second one is coming from around these buildings, but again, that's stupid. So if you're smart, you're gonna come out of the woods or you're gonna come out of the back. It's in the car, it's in my other vest. I'll get it after this. Huh? Yeah, right in the face. If they get the flag, let me know. I'll hit them with this. Let them run. I'll shoot them in the back with this thing. It doesn't hurt.
For like tanks?
Huh?
Is that usually used for like vehicles and stuff?
Yeah. This room clearing. This one is room clearing, really. They have one that's just a foam dummy. That's used for tanks and trucks. 139 for the whole setup, but 85 of it was for the canister it goes in. And 8 shells. Contact! Uh-oh. Contact! Yes. They're right there. We gotta have some try to come back. Reload. Backside, Rob, backside. I can't get you. You got to fall back. Oh shit. You better go easy, you're gonna run out of mags. With a G&G Raider. Yeah, bitches, with a G&G Raider.
Oh, hit!
What the fuck is that bitch? Where's mopping? Mopping. Mopping. Support this way if you can. I got it. They were coming down that trail. Watch yourself. Stay right there. They can't get you from the sides. I'm gonna fuck their day up. Reload, motherfucker. They circled around. They're trying to come up the back. Yep. Yep. They're trying to circle around and come up the back. Got covered. Oh shit. Over here somewhere.